Today, I'm sharing a home-style dish that is tangy, spicy, and perfect for whetting the appetite. Stir-fried pickled taro stems with chili peppers. Taro is often hailed as the king of vegetables, nutritious and delightful in color, aroma, and taste. While we usually consume only the corm, the root vegetable itself, many people are unaware that the taro stem is also a nutritional treasure. These stems, known as Yumeng or yumiao, grow in both dry and wet fields. In rural areas, almost every household grows taro. Most families harvest only the corm and use the remaining stems and leaves as pig feed. However, those in the know realize that these stems are rich in vitamins, especially dietary fiber. Often dubbed an intestinal scavenger, they help clear internal heat, detoxify the body, and relieve constipation. Culinary enthusiasts often salt-pickle fresh taro stems to create a tangy, crunchy preserve that cuts through greasiness. When quickly stir-fried with chili peppers, it becomes an incredibly appetizing dish that pairs wonderfully with either porridge or steamed rice. When preparing the pickled stems, simply rinse them under running water. Naturally pickled stems have a flavor similar to sauerkraut. However, if too much salt was used during pickling, the taste can be overly salty and the texture unpleasant. Soaking them in water for 2 to 3 hours helps dilute the saltiness. Although these stems are rarely found in big cities, and I even remember chopping and boiling them for pig feed during my childhood, they make a fantastic meal accompaniment when pickled. This crisp, delicious, and appetizing dish is sure to win you over after just one bite. Don't believe me? Come and taste it for yourself. Prepare some garlic cloves and small red chili peppers. The signature garlicky aroma and tangy flavor of this dish rely heavily on the minced garlic. If you prefer not to use fresh chilies, you can substitute them with a mild garlic chili sauce for a similar tangy, spicy kick. Finely mince the garlic and chilies. Heat oil in a pan, sauté the garlic until fragrant, then add the chilies and stir-fry briefly. Next, add the pickled taro stems, *Yumeng*, and stir-fry everything together. There is no need to add salt or soy sauce, as the pickled stems are already salty. If the yumeng is too sour, you can add a pinch of white sugar to balance it with a sweet and sour flavor. It makes the dish incredibly appetizing and pairs perfectly with rice. Stir-fry for just 2 or 3 minutes, and it's ready to serve. This is a simple, home-style dish that cuts through greasiness and stimulates the appetite. It's especially satisfying after a holiday feast where you've eaten a lot of meat. A plate of this tangy pickled taro is a real treat that appeals to both the young and the old. Give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future home-style cooking updates. Feel free to let me know in the comments what kind of dishes you'd like to see next, and I'll do my best to feature them. Thanks for watching.